Check out these beautiful sausages we made, all nice and browned up. All right, I think we're ready now. We're gonna cut these up in a second, but we're gonna get the mix started first. All right, now we're using 2 packages of this. Each one only calls for a half a cup of milk, so yeah, it doesn't use much at all. And these have, these are super good. Your kids love these. We've been making these for years. And we got the nice strawberry bits in there. Oh yeah, the strawberries. Smells very good. All right, got that over here. Now we're gonna get 1 cup of the milk of the old trusty kettle here. We'll still have a little left over. We'll use it somewhere. All right, and we're gonna use 1 cup. Very nice. All right. Let that sit a moment. We are gonna do our sausages now. We're gonna chop these babies up. Got the oil sucked up a little bit. Yeah, let's see. All right, looks pretty good. We can kind of go in there a little bit more if we want to, but we don't really need to, do as much as you want, do as little as you want. All right, this is good to go. Pop these babies right in here. Yep. And we're gonna mix them up. Check this out. Got our nice sausage, strawberry muffin mix over here. I'm gonna put these babies right up in these muffins. All right, we got our muffin tins. We got our paper. Put all these down. All right, now the idea is to put about 2/3 full for each one. Let's see how close we can get to that. Fill that baby up. There we go. All right, these babies are done. They're in here about 15 minutes or so, around there. Oh yeah, look at these beauties right here. Some tasty goodness right there. All right, we're gonna let them cool down. We're gonna go in, see if they're worth trying. Be right back. Look how beautiful they are. Oh yeah, little sausagey, strawberry goodness. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with the big papa over here. Let's see. See how it separates. There we go, not too bad, huh? There we go. Check that baby out. Not too moist on the bottom. Yeah, the coconut milk, made it really, really creamy. They're pretty good. The sausage and the strawberry comes together really nicely, especially with that coconut milk. Yeah, I would definitely, try using the coconut milk on something else next time, but it's a pretty good pairing, honestly. And you get some of the earthiness from the sausage. You get a little bit of sage in there, some thyme or something. I don't know. It's pretty good. I think the kids are gonna love these. Definitely give these a try. Thank you for watching. Check out some of the other ones we got, and God bless. Catch you next time.